mother will tomorrow appear before Senate and they will label you as a liar, why would you want to go against the statements of your own father? Why would your father be lying about the purpose of the money sent to the deputy governor?
Actually, this is my life. That was my money. This was my lifetime savings. If my dad chooses to choose friendship over the truth, then let it be so.
Thank you.
Yeah.
As
are you done with the witness? Because it's breaking down.
we can pause for just 30 seconds. I'm sure he can recollect himself.
Sergeant at Arms, kindly take care of the situation in the public gallery.
Can we proceed, Mr. Dennis? Kindly tell the honorable senators what is the current relationship you have with your parents as a result of this.
Actually, I don't have anything against my parents. The fact is that this was our lifetime savings with my family. We have built this, we had built this business for the last 13 years. Now, this was our opportunity to sell the business and get something that we could help the family. But we lost everything. After I lost everything, the parents at home became unsupportive. So we had to leave our home so that we can find somewhere where we can start all over again.
And how did that affect you as a couple, between you and your wife?
Just hold, counsel. Senator Boni, what is your intervention? And just to remind all senators, you'll have